Let's try. Yan natin.
Another food trip day na naman tayo. Alam nyo ba guys na natagpuan ko na ang isa sa mga hidden gem Korean restaurant dito sa Quezon City. At they serve the best jjajangmyeon noodles na natikman ko. And all the ingredients are all authentic. Ang owner din kasi ay isang Korean. At dito lang yan sa Junker Restaurant na located lang sa 103 Kalayaan Avenue, Quezon City. And if you have the service, huwag ka mag-alala kasi malaki ang spaces nila for parking. Nag-open nga sila from 10 in the morning up to 10 in the evening. At talagang sinadya ko po to from Taguig. Kasi when I tasted their best jjajangmyeon noodles, ay grabe talagang hindi ako pinatulog for 1 week. So when you enter their store, medyo maninibago ka lang kasi medyo old na yung building. But they have murals ng mga all Korean, authentic dishes, and Korean culture. At guys, talagang dinadayo talaga to ha. At literal na hidden gem kasi talagang papasukin mo siya at sasadyain talaga. And here are their menus. Post nyo na lang guys para mas makita nyo. So I ordered the best tasting noodles, yung jjajangmyeon noodles, and the tangsuyok, fried coated pork with sweet and sour sauce. And the kangpungki, the fried chicken spicy. Nabubulol-bulol pa nga ako habang binibigkas. Pero I really suggest na you have to try this one. Kasi talagang malasa, malinamnam at masarap. So ito na nga yung order natin. The fried mandu, the tangsuyok, the kangpungki, and the jjajangmyeon noodles. And guys, you can also request for side dishes such as yung white onion and radish, which is nagbibigyan ng extra flavor. And no wonder that they are striving talaga. Because they've been here since 2009. And kaya talaga nakapag-build na sila ng community. And since nasa table na lahat ng pagkain, kaya wag natin patagalin pa. Tara, kain na tayo!
Hi guys. So nandito ako ngayon sa may Jjajangmyeon restaurant and I just found out one of the hidden gem Korean restaurant here in Quezon City. 'Di ba? So ito siya, guys. Black bean paste yung kanyang base and then may Korean noodles din. So let's mix. Yeah. Wow. Grabe. Ang sarap nito. Nung na-try ko to guys, talagang parang hindi ako nakatulog ng ilang araw. Talagang hinahanap-hanap ko siya. I'm not a fan of Korean restaurant pero nung natikman ko to, sobrang sarap. Promise. Yan. Let's try. Price of this is 320 pesos. But makikita niyo naman servings at sobrang laki. So I think good for two person na to. Nung kami kumain, parang 3-4 kami eh. At nabusog kami kagad. Sobrang bigat din ito sa tiyan. But, let's try. Ooh, very thick yung kanyang noodles. Yung kanyang black bean paste is very thick din. Let's try. Yan natin. Masarap yung kanyang bean paste. Medyo may pagka-sweet and bitter taste. So meron din siyang kasamang mga aromatics na nandito. Meron din siyang meat na nasa loob. Yung noodles niya is very tender. Masarap. They also have side dishes. Meron silang radish and white onions. I also have here, guys, the tangsuyok, pork breaded fried. Yung size nito, guys, is small size and around 730 pesos na to. Pero, this is pork, di ba? And may pair siya na sweet and sour sauce. Okay. So, in relation to the Pinoy dishes, para siyang sweet and sour pork talaga. Pero, ang pagkain nito guys is best if isasawsaw mo siya. Okay, so let's try. Nice. Here. Okay, let's try. Sausaw natin. Ooh! Init pa. Init pa yung sauce. Let's try. The sauce is different from the normal sweet and sour na sauces ha. Very thick yung kanyang consistency. And asim is hindi ganun ka-asim. And it's very natural. Ang sarap ng pagkakagawa. Let's dip one more. You know. This is panalo to guys. Ang sarap. Okay guys, so ito naman yung kanpunggi. This is small size at 730 pesos yung kanyang price. So makikita nyo naman na talagang big serving sila dito. Diba? Fried chicken na spicy siya guys. Focus. Ang sarap. Very thick yung kanyang coating. Yung naman sa loob, this is a boneless fried chicken guys. Yung laman sa loob is mayroon din siyang marination. So malalasahan mo talaga siya. Tapos yung kanyang mga cuts is sobrang laki. Diba? So, isang part na to, ang laki na. One more. Init. Spicy level niya, medium. Ganun lang siya kangang. And talagang very inviting yung kanyang color. At the same time, pampagana kasi ang spicy niya. So good siya for good siya in pair ng mga non-spicy noodles nila dito.
Another satisfied tummy na naman ang naranasan natin. At talaga nag-enjoy nga ako sa kinain ko, no? Tapos ang laki pa ng servings. At talagang loaded din sa mga sangkap.
Grace Arabi po, manager ng Chunky Restaurant. Ayun po yung bestseller namin, so yung jajangmyeon sa jampong. And then yung main dish po namin, tang suyok, sweet and sour, and then kanpunggi, sweet and spicy chicken po. Yun ang madalas lagi na in-order po dito, sir. Dito po sa may 103 Vargas Building, sa may Kalayaan Avenue po, Barangay Central. Talaga yung noodles namin, authentic po talaga. Yung jajangmyeon sa jampong. And then yung tangsiyuk yung talagang madalas na in-order dito po. Korean chef yung namin sir, nagluluto. Ay, si Chunky Restaurant, talagang authentic po ni noodles namin dito sir. Hindi nyo po mahanap. Ewan ko lang po kung mahanap nyo sa iba, talagang ito talaga authentic yun. I-invite ko po kayo dito po sa Chunky Restaurant. Dito po located po dito sa may Kalayaan Avenue. Dito nyo lang po matitikman yung authentic Korean noodles po.